Welcome viewers to Smart Learning French Language class. Today I am coming with a new grammatical topic of the French grammar, adverbs interrogative, interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs I'll be discussing in today's class. This is a very important topic of the French grammar and it will be very much useful for the purpose of communication and in written French also. Before starting today's session, please permit me to let you know that I have launched a French communicative course. It's a short-term online course and this course will be giving you a very good coverage regarding the communicative aspect of the language. And if you are interested to join this course, you can comfortably follow the course online, comfortably at home. And if you want to join, my contact details are given in the description of the video. Okay. Before starting today's session, I will be requesting once again to all of my viewers, friends and students to subscribe the channel Smart Learning so that all the lessons uploaded in the channel you can get it fast. One like and share of the video lesson will encourage me to work hard for the next lesson. Let's start today's topic, adverbs interrogative, interrogative adverbs. Thank you. Let's start today's topic, interrogative adverbs, adverbs interrogative. Interrogative adverbs in French grammar actually used for the purpose of making interrogation. Okay. First interrogative adverbs I will be showing you. There is où. Où English meaning is where. Where is the English meaning. I am showing you an example. From this example it will be more clear how it is used. Où habitez-vous? This is an interrogation, interrogative sentence. Okay. This is one way of making an interrogation. Où habitez-vous? His English meaning is where you live. And another way of using the interrogative adverbs. Où est-ce que vous habitez? Is another way of making an interrogation. That is, où habitez-vous or où est-ce que vous habitez? It is being est-ce, is an interrogative element we are using. Ready-made expression we are using for this purpose. Où habitez-vous and où est-ce que vous habitez, there's the same meaning, both the interrogation. Okay, where do you live? Okay, is an example regarding où, is an interrogative adverb. Next interrogative adverb is ka. Ka means when. English meaning is when. Okay. When. Example. Quand venez-vous? When you come. Okay, when you come. And another way, similarly, with the esco element, that is ka, esco, vous venez. Is another example. Okay, the meaning is same. When you come. Okay. Quand est-ce que vous venez? This can be used. Or quand venez-vous? The same meaning. Okay. Both are interrogative. Please take down in your copy. I am showing you one by one. Next interrogative elements are comma. Comma. Comma means how. English meaning is how. Okay. Now I am giving you an example. Comma paltil. Comma paltil. Okay. Is an interrogation, that is how he speaks. Comma paltil. It is in case of interrogation, when the verb comes before the subject, then an extra T is used in case of third person singular. Okay. Comma paltil. Another way, comma S using SCO element, S kill. Here co I am not writing full, that is E and I. This are two vowels side by side, so I am using apostrophe. Comma S kill pal. Is an interrogation. The meaning is same. How he speaks. Okay. Comma paltil or comma S kill pal. Any one you can use. These two examples. The meaning is same. English meaning. Okay. Please take down in your copy. And I am showing one by one. Next interrogative element, adverbs interrogative, is combia. Combia. Combia, English meaning is how many. How many. Okay. Combia. Combia, English meaning is how many. Example I am giving you. Combien de livres, combien de livres achète tu? Combien de livres achètes-tu? Okay. That means how many books you buy. And another way, the same interrogation you can use. Combien de livres est-ce que tu achètes? Combien de livres est-ce que tu achètes? The same meaning. How many books you buy? Okay. Any one you can use. The meaning is same in both the sentence. Now, the next interrogative adverbs, that is adverbs interrogative. Please take down in your copy. I am showing you one by one. Pourquoi? Pourquoi is why. Why is another interrogative adverbs. I am showing you one example. Pourquoi va-t-il à Paris? Why he goes to Paris. Okay. And here also the esco element you can use. The similarly, pourquoi est-ce qu'il va à Paris? The interrogation. The meaning is same. Why he goes to Paris? Okay. But in this type of question, one thing you have to remember that you have to give the answer in the response. That is, you have to use Pasco. Pasco you have to use. Pasco is actually meaning is because. Okay. Pasco you have to use to give the answer in this type of question. I am not showing this type of response in this class. I am only showing the adverbs interrogative. And how to give the reply I will be showing in another video lesson. Okay. That's all for today's class. That very important topic, adverbs interrogative, interrogative adverbs. Okay. I will be coming with the next video lesson with the next grammatical topic of the French language. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you for attending the video class.